Hello, welcome to Context Week for today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm at Someday Farm and I am Stephen Watson. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is with Context Change Week, so to practice in different clothing than you would ordinarily practice. I'm in my kind of full regalia, so I'm already doing that. But different clothing could be barefoot rather than not barefoot, could be with your hat instead of your hat, without your glasses instead of your glasses, maybe in your full winter gear, maybe in your hiking kit with your backpack and your crampons, I don't know. Maybe in your finery, maybe in a dress instead of, your normal gym wear, maybe gym wear, and if you don't normally wear that for your practice. The idea with this, as with the rest of Context Week, where we have Context Change Week, is to vary the vista that you have on the postures and the energies, and also the viewpoints that you have. How am I viewing what I normally view by making these changes to my context? And it might be challenging, but ideally, what I'd be expecting to see here, I guess, is that we have a new understanding of the move and the meaning of the move, or I see a new connection between a couple different moves, whether that's a similarity or a support or what have you, maybe a through line, a thread between a couple different things. So that's the advice today. Wear something that you don't ordinarily wear or perhaps have never worn for practice. A lot of people have worn these things when they do a quick pose, when they're mountain climbing, they'll do a quick pose in their gear. That's not really doing your practice, is it? So get to your practice, wear something different, whether that's more or less than usual, and see what it shows you about the viewer and the view. Thank you so much. Thanks for viewing these.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.